Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Rndr price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see Rndr on the all-time history first here to see what we might expect and where we might start a potential bull run here for Rndr. So basically we have a 1-2 and a potential 1-2 still unfolding and pushing for wave 3 towards the upside, or you are in an A, B and a C zigzag to finish wave A, and then we're looking for 3 wave down for a wave B. And that means, of course, a regular flat might be unfolding here as an A, B, and a C, of course, to push for a new bull run once we finish, of course, this correction. This correction needs the time, of course. Never forget that you are in 3 waves down, triangle for a wave B, and potential wave C unfolding in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, truncation might be a potential scenario here, definitely. Hard to take the wick, but it can be, of course. But I see already something as zigzag here, and that means, of course, yeah, it might be definitely here an ending diagonal finishing up this correction, which it might still require a potential 4 and a 5 here to finish around the 0.618 fib time, which might be around April and May to finish up, of course, this correction. Now the possibility as well is, of course, to dive even much more longer here. It can be, of course, a 1-2, wave 3, 4, and a 5 to reach the 1-to-1 fib level, taken from the A to the B to the C here. Still cannot take the wick yet, even if you take this lower price at $0.7. So that means, yeah, there is a possibility of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Never forget this. It can turn into something very, very impulsive to finish up around this area. On the 2 hours chart here, we can see as well for Rndr, since we got, of course, this triangle finished in a wave B or an X, you have 3 waves down, potential wave W, and then X. And in case you are here in an A, B, and a C zigzag, so you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of wave A, B, and a C. This wave C is still unfolding as an impulse and still, of course, showing a double 1, 2 here, wave 3, and then wave 4 and a 5 still to be finished there, and then 4 and a 5 for deeper price. So in case there is a wave Y here in WX and a Y that it wants to finish up, so anyway, we are required double 4, 5 here still to finish up, and potentially if it wants to turn into a diagonal, as we mentioned, don't forget this is very likely and possible to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing on time, trying to take the wick. Maybe it's gonna take it, nobody knows, but yeah, we're still looking definitely for lower prices here before we push for higher. Again, back to the 1 hour chart here. Our next target is, of course, at least the 1-to-1 fib level here. For the $1, this 1-to-1 fib level here is taken from the zigzag that we mentioned for a wave Y, zigzag A, zigzag A, B, and a C here for a wave Y for 1-to-1 at $1 to finish this wave Y. Don't forget, we still need double 4 and a 5 here. Currently, we're unfolding the wave 5, and then we might get another 4 and a 5. 15-minute chart, we can see also that this impulse is open toward the downside after we finished A, B, and a C. By the way, truncation here is clear because you have a 1, 2, 3, then wave 4, no invalidation, 1.35 was taken, and you push in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, failed to take the high, total truncation, and then we see, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unfolding for lower prices here. So very likely that even can be a finished impulse here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 1 can be wave 2 as an ABC. Well, can be, yeah, because we see an impulse. We saw, of course, a push toward the upside today, somehow impulsive. But if you counted internally, well, this is a W, X, and a wave Y there. And we see, of course, another drop here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Still unfolding a 1, 2 potentially there as an expanding flat, and then we might see continuation toward the downside, guys. So everything still, of course, under bearish pressure. We don't see yet, of course, any kind of reversal or something as a bull run signal. Still new lows are required here to take, of course, this wave 3 in double 4 and a 5. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube. plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.